Fall is here, hear the yell, back to school, ring the bell, brand new shoes, walking blues, climb the fence, books and pens. I can tell that we are gonna be friends. I can tell that we are gonna be friends. Walk with me, Susie Lee, through the park and by the tree. We will rest upon the ground, look at all the bugs we found, and safely walk to school without a sound. Safely walk to school without a sound. Well, here we are, there's no one else. We walk to school all by ourselves. They're still on our uniforms, chasing all the ants and worms. We clean up, now it's time to learn. We clean up, then now it's time to learn. Numbers, letters, learn to spell, nouns and books and show and tell. Playtime, we will throw the ball, back to class, through the hall. Teacher marks our height against the wall. Teacher marks our height against the wall. We don't notice any time passing. We don't notice anything. Sit side by side in every class.